how to fix your computer lagging after a Windows 11 update. So if you've recently updated your computer and it's now got slower or it's lagging, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the very first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up a file explorer on your computer. You can then click on this PC from the left hand side and double click on your C drive. Now click on Windows and then scroll down the page and you'll see a folder here called Software Distribution. Click on this. Now these are all of the old update files that are left over on our PC. So what we can do is go and select everything inside of here, click on the trash icon, select do this for all current items and press continue. You can then close out of this window, open up the start menu, search for disk cleanup and click on this tool. Now go and check the boxes next to all of these different options, and then once everything's selected, press OK and then press delete files. Now if it's still not working, there could be some corrupted or damaged files on your PC. So if you open up your start menu, search for CMD, you can then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You'll then need to type in sfc /scan now and press enter. Now this is going to scan your computer for any damaged or corrupted files. So you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100%, and if any detections are found, it will automatically go and repair them. Now if you have tried all of these steps and your computer's still slow, what we'll need to do is roll back to the previous version before you updated. So to do this, open up your start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, select Windows Update, and then you'll need to scroll down to Update History and click on this. You can then scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. Now check the dates to the last update you went and installed, and then you can press Uninstall. You can then just go through the steps to roll back your computer to the previous update, and that should fix any lagging or performance issues.